Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add files, either photo, picture, anything on your Google Drive. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is open your drive. Just search for your drive, and if you haven't have a drive on your Android phone, you can go to Play Store and download Google Drive. So let's get started. You open your drive. So this is it. And note guys, your drive is connected with your email. So this is your email right here. Let me show my tab. Now this is your email right now. You can switch from any emails to have access to your drive here. So I'm going to leave this one. You can see my drive. There's nothing on my drive presently now. So I'm going to add some files to keep on my drive for our lifetime access. Let's go to files. When you click on your files here now, okay, click on new. Now you use a folder you want to scan, you want to use your Google Docs, your Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on upload. So now on your upload, just browse for anything you want to put on your Google Drive. Is it your gallery? Is it your media picker? Let me click on my gallery now to go and choose some things to put there. Okay, there's a pattern here. Let's open the pattern. Okay, now let's continue. This is it. You can now choose. You can choose anything you want to put on your Google Drive. Let me just choose this, and I'm going to put this. Okay, now you can see preparing to upload one file. Now my files is uploaded to my Google Drive. So now those files, now you can have access to those files. You can do anything on these files. You can manage it by clicking on these three dots. You can see, you can share it there. You can make it available offline. You can copy the link to it. You can make a copy. You can send a copy. You can download it. So you can do a lot of things on your Google Drive. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.